tayong upload. Kaso lang talaga ako. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is another vlog. Anyway, for just couple of days wala tayong upload. It's just because I was really busy and then I go somewhere. May nasikaso lang talaga ako for the meantime. And for today's video guys, nakagawa tayo ng pandesal. Hindi ko siya na ano yung mga ingredients, but the ingredients with that is 1 cup of lukewarm water, and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. You're going to mix with that, i-mix mo siya, and then wait for 7 minutes para siyang magbubbles guys ba, and then you're going to steamer ba yan? Streaming. Talbang sa laon ganyan mo siya guys. Prepare for the 3 cups of, well for me, either you can use class A or may another na harina, pero hindi ko pa yan na nagamit. I'm using all-purpose flour. So prepare for 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then add another 1/4 of sugar. But for me lang, kasi I just already add a little bit in the liquid. So I just make a little bit lang sa mga dry ingredients. And then add a little bit of salt. So after it's done of the 7 to 10 minutes ng liquid mo to make it like a bubbles yung yeast, meaning it's really good. Ano siya guys? Doon mo i-add yung dry ingredients, yung flour, na ni-mix mo yung sugar at saka a little bit of salt. So, take it slowly, and then after that you make it mix na siya, lagay mo siya sa to make it kneading. Kasi manual lang tayo, I'm using a manual way. Wala pa akong makina for making the bread, but I'm really hoping one day I can buy for that. For it's easy for me for not making pain with my arm. Kasi hindi tayo makagawa ng bread every day. It's just because I get painful using the manual way na kneading yung yung dough natin. So after that, after I mix, nag-knead ako ng 10 to 15 minutes. Kneading ko siya. I make it rise for 1 hour. And then, it's just depend talaga sa temperature ba ng surroundings mo. So, this time, I make it rise for 1 hour. Nag-double size siya. Now, I'm gonna show you the result. Pero, hindi ko pa siya niluto guys ha. I make it like, ayan, pinarice ko rin siya. Diba? So, I make it rise. And look at that. It's really beautiful. Look, diba? Ang laki niya guys. So, ayan. I-rice ko siya ng mga 30 minutes lang. I-rice ko siya ng 30 minutes kasi naman, madali lang siyang i-rice talaga. Kasi mainit yung yung tempo. Mainit dito. So, we're waiting, and then I'm gonna put in the oven. Yung pagluluto ko ng guys, ng bread, I'm just making 20 to 25 minutes lang talaga for 180 degrees. Pero wag kang try to check all the time kasi para sa akin iba-iba yung oven that we're using. Sometimes I have to oven. The one that I own, hindi ko siya makontrol yung fire. kadalasan mag ano talaga siya, mabuburn ba. So I'm using the another one that it's really good. Mag-steady lang talaga siya the time that I'm going to adjust. So yan, and then I will be back later for we can see the finished product, okay? Hi guys, kumusta kayo? Uh, Nakalimutan kong mag-ano ba, but anyway, thank you so much. And lagi kayo nakaantabay sa ating vlog and sa ating mga videos. Minsan na lang talaga ako makapag-upload guys kasi one of that, I got a problem with the Wi-Fi. I don't know what's really going on with the Wi-Fi. We're using the dito pala. So time check, it's 12:25 in the afternoon. Parang uulan siya guys. Uulan. So anyway, guys, we're going to look our pandesal. Look. Ito na siya. Yan. Ooh. Ang init. Ow. Pandesal.
Nasa manangkuan.
Dito guys, sa hindi inaasahang pagpunta namin sa isang lugar. Pero plan ko talaga, na coincidence ko lang to na on the spot kaming umalis. At ito makulimlim na. Ayan, hapon na to guys. Not exactly the time na hindi ko siya na ano talaga. Pero nabighani ako sa lugar na yan kasi sobrang linis. Ito yung para bang boulevard sa kanila. Kaso lang, wala sa dagat boulevard. Barbecuean siya guys, pero grabe kalimpyo. Friendly ang mga tao. Nala si Stanley, si Father, si Ate Merlin. Na-adjub ko ito yung anak sa sa pari, anak nga time. And then, nabighani ko. Ani nga time, after sa kumbento guys, pa tanaw mi ni Father sa lugar nila, dito sa barbecuean. Nakahinabi pa jud mi og Vice Mayor, o, di ba? Saan pa?